I'm Liz Hooper. I'm the service advisor here at Auto Plaza Chrysler of Farmington. I've been working with the Chrysler crew at the Farmington store for roughly right around about 10 months now, and it's a great experience. I used to actually, for the past 12 years, work at a Ford store, but I switched teams and started working for the Chrysler store. It's been a great experience. Definitely glad that I'm here as well. We have a great service crew here at the Farmington store. We've got 3 female service advisors, so that's been a lot of fun as well. We also have Mary, who does recalls for us, as well as taking care of customer service issues. We do our very best to take care of the customers that come through the door, try to meet or exceed their expectation levels every time they come to visit us. So look us up on the web, or you can come by and see us.